Hi family, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. If you're new here, my name is Zainab and thank you so much for clicking in this video. For my returning, I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for coming back and watch my video. So in today's video, we're going to be making this delicious, colorful and beautiful curry which you guys see here. It's made with a gram flour, some vegetable, some spices and yogurt. Stay tuned and watch how I'm making. First, I'm gonna prepare pokora, which is chili bites. For that, I'll need 2 small potatoes. As you guys can see, if you want to make more pokora, you can add more potatoes. But for this recipe, I don't want to make too much, so I'm gonna go with the 2 small potatoes, and we have to cut in small pieces, and the pieces have to be thin, so when we fry it's gonna be easy and quick. And another thing, we need 1 onion. Yeah, I'm going to slice onion, and we need also some spinach. Yeah, so for the spices, I'm gonna tell you guys as we are mixing. Potato done, onion done. Now I'm gonna add my spinach, which I already cut and washed earlier. And now my spices: half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, salt 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, and garam masala half teaspoon. I'm going to combine everything well. And now I'm gonna add 1 cup of gram flour which is chickpeas flour. I'm gonna mix it one more time just to bring everything together. Add some water, mix it, just a little bit of water. We don't need too much water, okay? As you're mixing, make sure your oil is also ready on the flame, getting hot. So when you are done, you can fry your pokora same time, because if you leave it the mixture for long, it's going to be watery. Special onion have so much water, so when you are done mixing, you have to fry your pakoras same time. So as you guys can see, I'm making small portion, and I'm going to fry until it's light golden both sides. Don't make it too much brown. And my pakora is done. It's nice and crispy. I'm going to just remove from the oil and set aside. In this bowl, I'm going to add 2 cups of yogurt, 1 cup of gram flour, and I'm going to add 5 cups of water and mix it. Another way of making this mixture, you can use blender. You just add everything in the blender and blend it. In 1 minute, it's going to be ready. This one took me sometimes, I'm not going to lie. So I'm going to set that aside and cut 1 onion. Now in the pot, I'm adding some oil, and I'm gonna fry onion for 1 minute. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste and fry for another 1 minute, and then my spices. In spices, I'm adding half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and some salt to taste. I'm going to cook that for 1 minute. Now I'm gonna add yogurt mixture, and I'm going to stir continuously until the pot start boiling. And when start boiling, you have to see your sauce if it's like mine, the way you guys see the consistency is like mine, is fine. If it's is thicker than this, you have to add more water. It can be 1 or 2 cups of water. So now I'm going to slow the flame and cover my pot and let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes until you see the oil start appearing up. It's after 20 minutes now, and I think it's ready now. As you guys can see, the oil is showing up. Okay, now I'm gonna prepare some flavors for our curry pakora. For that, we'll need some oil in the pan, 1 tablespoon of zira, which is a cumin seeds, and half teaspoon of chili powder. And then I'm going to fry for a few seconds. Oh yes, I forgot to mention red dry chili. Yeah, just about 4 of them, as you guys can see. And I'm frying for a few seconds. Now it's done. I'm going to pour in the pakora sauce. Yes, so now I'm going to just mix it and add our pakora, which we already fry. Yeah, and our curry is done. We're not gonna cook again. We're gonna just add some those pakoras, which is the chili bites, and our curry is done. Curry pakora is not really my favorite, but my husband, yes. And he says goes well with the cumin rice, which is a zira rice. If you guys want to see, or if you want recipe of how to make zira rice, which is a cumin rice, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please share. Allah Hafiz.